tweyanziza nnyo abikumira kwanda boy yoje era na wa subscribing okola omulimu gwa manyo kati tunagenda wala mwendo video mbadisa bakano ka video kampeleka like every namurondo yetegekera birthday Rema asubiza omukolera birthday y'omwaka Rema namakula musanyufu anti Eddie Kenzo akoze challenge ya cafe che obawe batu bakayita kayimba akakoze wonders ku YouTube Bambi rimba lusinzgo trending buli wamu ku Apple Music buli wamu Barbie Kyagulanyi avuddeyo na bulirira bakadama Bambi storage lindi masawo gena bogifuna bulungi tutandise ne Shiba Kalungi bulijjo yali yekwese kuva birthday we yali naye avuddeyo natubulira jali era yali agenda Mombasa okunyumira obulamu bwe Bambi ngavuddeyo ya buli watambula ndoza mumumanyiye anti Jessa akolachi atambula ne Jessa Milik Rema namakula avuddeyo wakolera even namulondo surprise birthday eyamanyi era tugirindiridde uno Barbie Kyagulanyi ngabulira bakadama.
In life's journey, certain things happen to us, some pleasant, some unpleasant, but I want you to know that as you grow, you will meet all different levels, the high and the lows, the exciting and the disappointing, the tough and the smooth. But as you grow and as you walk the journey of life, just know that whatever happens to you, whether good or bad, it will not all go wasted. You will either pick a lesson from it or you will succeed. Therefore, as you walk through the journey of life, know that you will meet all challenges, but you will not meet them in vain.
Nechilala muna Rema namakula wa kusisikana muna anytime now agenda kusisikana na Kiwedde Bambi omwana afunye emikisa nyingi nyonyo wano video mwete dokugenda osikana Rema yino
togwanga ko mukwano
Rema
sabire binyoma
wacholoza namakula